What is passive income? Welcome to today's video. My name is Daniel Wood. I'm one of the founders of Momentum Property Education. And in this video, we're going to walk you through exactly what passive income is and show you how you can start creating passive income for yourself. I hope you're excited. Welcome again to our channel. Please make sure you subscribe because every single week on Saturdays, we do Passive Income Mastery, where we give you the latest techniques, the latest ideas for how to create passive income. We also on Tuesdays give you an update on the economy so you know where the economy is going. And on Thursdays, we have the Momentum Investing Podcast where we interview top experts like Kim Kiyosaki, Jordan Harbinger, as well as property experts like Shimon Rudish, Simon Zucci, Ben Chai, and many, many more. So welcome to the channel and let's look at what is passive income. So passive income is basically the definition is that it is your money working for you, or essentially income coming whether you work for it or not. There are two main ways to create passive income. Either it can be by creating that passive income, building an asset that generates cash flow without you having to work for it, or you investing in something, you buying a passive income stream. So the most common passive income stream that exists for most people today is investing in stocks. Now, how can stocks be a passive income? Well, if you go to the stock market, you go to your brokerage firm and you buy a certain stock. Let's just say you buy Disney. Just for the sake of an example, this is not financial advice, just as an example. Let's say you buy Disney. Now, Disney will every year give, or most years we should say, give a certain amount of dividend, meaning they'll pay out a certain part of their profits to the owners of the company. So basically what will happen is every day, all the employees all over the world are working to create value for the company Disney. That value is in good client relationships, great movies, great theme parks, and of course, money in the bank. So every day, all these people all over the world are generating money for Disney. Now, when Disney makes that money, they can do three main things. They can reinvest in new projects into the business. They can invest in research and development, coming up with new things for the future, new technology, new abilities. So one example would be when film studios started creating the 3D movie. That was an investment they did, or they could just create a new project. They could create a new movie to make more. So either they take the money they've earned and they reinvest, hopefully to make more money. Right? These new breakthroughs should make them more money. Or they say, well, we've made this extra money that we don't really need to invest. We've invested enough in our projects. We're going to pay this to the owners. So they're going to get this as their benefit. Now, an owner of a company is everyone who owns a share. So if you bought one share of Disney, you now own a share of Disney. So the next time a Marvel movie comes out, yes, Disney owns Marvel, then a part of that profit goes to the company, and a part of that might be paid out to the owners. And you, if you are one of those owners, that will come in to your account. Now, does that mean you have done any work for it? Well, maybe you went and watched the movie, or maybe you even were an employee in the company. But as an employee in the company, you got a salary, right? You got paid for that work, just like any job. The money you got for owning the stock, for owning that share in the business, was completely passive. If you'd worked for the company or not, if you went to the movie or not, if you did anything for Disney or not, you're going to get paid from that share. And that is what makes it passive. That means your money, the money you put into that stock, is now generating you an income. Another way, what we obviously love in Momentum Property Education is we buy rental properties. We'll buy a rental property. That property can go up in value, but also when it's rented out, hopefully it generates profit. That profit comes to us. The reason why it's passive is because we use a management agent. Someone else runs the property, deals with the tenants, deals with all the nitty-gritty and work. And all we need to do is really, about once a month, we check the report. It takes, 10 or so minutes. So it's not a lot of work. But in all fairness, it's not 100% passive, but it is cash flow. And you can make a lot of income for 10 minutes of work a month. So close enough, maybe. But so there are a lot of different ways to create it. One other way is to create a business. You could create your own company. You could create the next Disney. And then one day you exit the company, meaning you hire someone else to run the company. you leave the company and now you have created your own shares, and that could be generating you a dividend, as it's called, when the company pays out that profit. That is what passive income is. It's about creating these income streams. Now, we did a video a couple months ago where we showed you how much you need to invest in order to generate enough passive income to leave your job, which is a really, really cool video. So that might be something to watch. We've also done videos where we've gone through 15 passive ideas in 15 seconds, 60 passive ideas in a little longer, a little more detail. And so you have all these different options. So check out our YouTube channel here and see some of these different videos, because they can give you ideas on how to create more passive income, how to create that ongoing income. Because the goal for a lot of us, and especially for the Momentum Property Education community, is to create enough passive income to leave your job. I was very blessed to do this through my property portfolio. I live in Sweden, but I have property in the UK. I have 38 flats, 3 commercial units, 3 HMOs, which is a certain property strategy. And actually, I'm one of the co-founders of a golf resort in South Wales, which has been really, really fun. So that generates me enough passive income that I don't have a day job. I can do videos like this, I can work with our students in Momentum Property Education, and I can spend time with you guys. So that is what passive income has allowed me to do, and that's the goal for our students and our community. So I would love to keep connecting with you. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and start creating your passive income. Start looking at different ways to create it and building that dream life that you deserve to be living. Thank you.